Can EarPods keep up during my busy commute? Countdown. 30 seconds to test comfort and controls. Most earbuds hoard after 10 minutes. But Apple EarPods claim superior comfort. Let's put them to the test. No breaks, no pauses. Plugging in EarPods with Lightning connector. Instant connection, no adapters. No hassle. Starting my favorite playlist. Volume up. Built-in remote. Quick volume adjustment. Skipping tracks with a pinch of the cord. Incoming call answering with just one click. Integrated microphone. Let's check call clarity. Hey Siri, play next song. Voice picked up instantly. Wearing EarPods while walking, moving, multitasking. No discomfort even after 2 minutes. Audio stays crisp, no sound loss, no distortion. Trying video playback, remote controls work flawlessly. Switching from music to call, smooth transition. Timer hits 30 seconds, challenge complete. Quick comparison. Other earbuds slip. EarPods stay secure. Facial reaction. Surprised by comfort and sound quality. No ear fatigue, no tangled Bluetooth issues. Remote saves time, no fumbling for phone. Microphone picks up voice perfectly, even in noisy streets. Compatible with all Lightning devices, iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. Ideal for commuters, music lovers, and busy professionals. VoiceOver. Upgrade your daily listening with EarPods. Superior comfort, high-quality audio, effortless control. Ready to experience the difference? Tap the link now. Get your Apple EarPods today. Don't settle for less. Choose comfort and clarity. Apple EarPods. The ultimate wired headphones for iPhone. Challenge completed. EarPods win every time. Try them yourself and feel the upgrade. Product details and link are given in the description.